I'm going to walk you through the setup process for the Arduino IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. And an IDE is just a fancy code editor that includes useful tools for programming. So starting with the Arduino website, go ahead and click on Software at the top. You'll then have the option to download the correct IDE for your operating system. Additionally, you will likely be using a newer version of the Arduino IDE than what you see in this course. Just choose the most up-to-date version for you. There may be some differences in the UI or options, but there shouldn't be any differences in the code we will write for the examples in this course. So just go ahead and download and follow the installer instructions. Once installation is complete, you can open the Arduino IDE application and you should get a window like this. You'll be using these two buttons at the top a lot during the examples in this course. The first one is this check mark, which will verify that our code has no errors. So if I were to click that right now, it would compile our sketch and we see what code with no errors looks like. The next button up here is this arrow, and this will upload our code onto the Arduino board. And the upload button will also verify our code before uploading it. However, if I were to hit this upload right now, we would get an error. So if I were to do that, we get an error. So this is what an error looks like. And that's because the Arduino IDE needs help connecting to the Arduino board. So to do that, first make sure your Arduino board is connected to your computer via USB. Once it's connected, you may be able to select directly from this box the Arduino Uno. But if you don't see it there, you're going to have to go to Tools, and then Board, and then Arduino AVR boards, and select the Arduino board that you have. And in my case, that's the Arduino Uno, which is already selected. Then you'll have to go to Tools again, go to COM port, and select the COM number that has the board type in brackets. So COM3 Arduino Uno, so that's mine. And so select that. So if we have our IDE set up correctly, I should now be able to hit the upload button and get no errors. If you just see a number in the COM ports, so if we go here and you just see COM3 and COM4 and COM5 or something like that, you may have to do a little bit of trial and error to find the right one. You'll know you've found the right COM port once you can upload the code successfully. And that's it. You now have your computer set up to start the course.